sure if you know who I am, but I'm about to rule the world.
Wow, yay!
But there's one problem. There's a human, has a mustache, just like you.
You think I know every human being with a mustache wearing an identical outfit with a hat with the letter of his first name on it? Because I don't.
I got this. No problem. Yes!
Come on, Mario! Our big adventure begins now!
Ah! Get it off! Get it off! Get it off!
There's a huge universe out there with a lot of galaxies. They're all counting on us. No pressure.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. With me, Silviana Margareta. We will delve more to the one of the famous movie back in 2023. But before that, do you ever wonder how magical a film is? They can make us feel happy and sad, make us laugh, angry, and many more. By combining literary and cinematographic elements, a film can make its audience feel they are in the film itself, especially for a popular film when most of the audience can relate to the characters in the film. Because of that, today I want to give you a little perception of mine of the wonder of film through one of our iconic characters, which is the Super Mario Bros. Movie. For you who never watches this film and just know Mario only from old Nintendo games, you must be wondering what this little plumber does right in the movies, besides jumping and saving the princess, right? Surprisingly, the movie's success in making a complex and deep story from these Plumbers brothers. This film tells the story of Mario's journey to rescue his brother Luigi, the Mushroom Kingdom, and also to prove the value of himself. The story begins with Mario and Luigi running their first advertisement for their plumbing company. However, everyone around them, including their family, makes fun of them and believes that they are simply just helpless guys who can't do anything right. Even though they were unsuccessful at their first job, Mario didn't give up. He decided to bring Luigi below to a shower to repair the broken town's main pipe they had seen in the news. But they were spared and got teleported instead to the Mushroom Kingdom. Unfortunately for Luigi, he got teleported to the main antagonist kingdom, which is Bowser. He had been keeping Luigi in captivity while Mario was transported to Princess Peach territory. There, Mario met a brave Toad, and Princess Peach then began training in order to confront Bowser and save his brother Luigi. Here, Mario has to go through many obstacles. After Mario and his friends get assistance from the Jungle Kingdom and go to fight Bowser and his army, Mario and his allies almost lost to Bowser, but in the end, he finally succeeds in saving everyone and demonstrating his and his brother's importance in the film. The movie with a rich, immersive world based on the iconic elements of the Mario franchise, tapping into the decades of cultural nostalgia. Familiar landscapes like the Mushroom Kingdom, Bowser's Lair, and the Rainbow Road evoke strong emotional connections with long-time fans. The film incorporates well-known characters like Mario, Luigi, Peach, Bowser, and also elements like power-ups, blocks, and game mechanics like the pipes in a way that both honor the original games and make them accessible to a younger audience. This blend of fidelity to the source material and creative reimagining forms a bridge between generations, make it a shared cultural experience. The movie movie adheres to a straightforward, time-tested structure of the hero's journey, where Mario evolves from an underestimated underdog to a courageous hero. Themes of bravery, perseverance, and teamwork resonate universally. Luigi's arc of stepping out of fear and Peach's role as empowered co-leader enrich the story's emotional stakes. The clear moral stakes, stopping Bowser from domination and protecting loved ones, make the narrative relatable and satisfying. This accessibility ensures that the story appeals to both children and adults, regardless of their familiarity with Mario lore. Now, let's see the details that we can take from the Super Mario Bros. Movie. First is from their cultural elements. The stories have several cultural elements in it. The first one is video game cultural integration. The movie acts as a tribute to the Mario franchise and video games culture as a whole. It captures the essence of Mario's world by including elements like power-ups, which are mushrooms, fire flowers, and superstars. Iconic game mechanics like pipe driver and platforming sequence, and reference to classic games such as Super Mario Kart and Super Smash Bros. These elements are not merely decorative, but serve as integral parts of the story, immersing fans in a cinematic version of the game they love. The soundtrack, featuring remixed themes from the games, strengthens this connection by tapping into the decades of nostalgia, ensuring that both gamers and casual viewers feel part of a shared cultural moment. Second is global and multicultural appeal. With their Brooklyn origins and their playful use of exaggerated Italian accents, Mario and Luigi's Italian-American ethnicity is hilarious and lovingly handled. This ethnic distinctiveness lends their brothers' personalities, appeal and make them approachable. At the same time, the magical locales such as Bowser's lava-saturated world and the Mushroom Kingdom combine many styles that seem universal, enabling viewers from a wide range of cultural backgrounds to relate to the vivid image. The voice cast, which includes Chris Pratt, Charlie Day, Anya Taylor-Joy, and Jack Black, is varied and skilled. They give the character new life and make them appealing to a wide range of viewers worldwide. The third is themes of family and community. The story centers around universal themes of family and community, which resonate across cultures. At its core is the bond between Mario and Luigi, whose unwavering loyalty to each other drives much of emotional tension in the movie. Their love for one another highlights the importance of family, no matter the challenge. Similarly, the friendship between Mario, Princess Peach, and the residents of the Mushroom Kingdom underscores the power of teamwork and unity against adversity. These themes ground the fantastical narrative in relatable emotion, making it accessible and meaningful to viewers of all ages. Number 4 is humor and pop culture reference. The film cleverly weaves humor into its narrative to appeal to both children and adults, from slapstick comedy and situational gags to sly references that longtime fans of the franchise or pop culture enthusiasts will appreciate. The movie strikes a balance that keeps in tones like heart yet engaging. These moments serve to anchor the fantastical storyline in the contemporary cultural context, making it as entertaining for newcomers as it's nostalgic for devoted fans. The humor helps maintain a universal charm, ensuring the movie is enjoyable for viewers with varying familiarity with Mario's world. Aside of the cultural elements, this movie also reflecting several social issues from the real-life condition. The first one is underdog status and professional struggles. Mario and Luigi face skepticism and dismissal as small-time plumbers trying to establish their business in Brooklyn. They are seen as underqualified and unimportant, particularly when their ambitious plumbing project leads to unintended chaos. This reflects real-world issues such as workplace discrimination, undervaluation of skills, and the challenge of proving oneself in competitive environments, especially for those pursuing entrepreneurial dreams. The second is familiar criticism and pressure. Within their own family, Mario and Luigi face judgment and lack of support. Mario, in particular, is criticized by his father, who believes he is wasting his potential on an unrealistic dream. This tension highlights the struggles many individuals face when they seeking validation from their loved ones, as well as the pressure of conforming to family expectations. The movie subtly explores themes of general misunderstanding and the pursuit of personal fulfillment despite external doubts. The third is bullying and self-doubt. Both Mario and Luigi experience moments of belittlement and bullying, especially in the early scenes. This is most evident in their interactions with antagonistic characters in the neighborhood, and later with formidable adversaries like Bowser. These experiences reflect real-world issues like bullying, feeling out of place, and dealing with self-doubt. Mario's perseverance in overcoming these obstacles provides a relatable narrative about resilience in the face of negativity. The fourth is socio-economic status and survival. The brothers' humbles beginning as working-class plumbers struggling to gain recognition and financial stability highlight socio-economic themes. Their modest status contrasts sharply with the grandiose worlds they later explore, emphasizing the challenge faced by those in lower socio-economic tiers who dream of making a difference or achieving greatness. And the last is navigating new environments as outsiders. When Mario and Luigi are thrust in the fantastical world of the Mushroom Kingdoms and Bowser's domain, they are initially treated as outsiders. The experience parallels real-world struggles with adapting to unfamiliar cultures and proving one's worth in new environments. It also reflects themes of migration and integration, as they must earn the trust of locals to success in their mission. So, in conclusion, we can see how the Super Mario Bros. Movie can be popular, starting from this film adapted from the renowned Mario Bros. Games. The story is straightforward, telling the audience how someone who was treated as nothing can turn out to be the famous hero who saved the Mushroom Kingdom. Moreover, this film also contains the social cultures and social issues that happen in real life, making the audience become more relatable while watching the movie. This is all for today about the story of popular film The Super Mario Bros. Movie. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Sylviana Margareta. Until next time, bye bye and have a nice day.